Good morning, security users. This is Brandon with Custom Alarm. Today we're going to show you some basic functions of the Vista security panels using the alphanumeric keypads. What we would like to demonstrate is how to enable door chimes. This will make the keypad beep when the doors are open, notifying you of someone entering or exiting the home when the system is not armed. This is a great feature to use for parents with small kids to make them aware of little ones leaving the home. To enable this feature, you will enter your 4-digit code +9, which is a chime button. If you would like to disable this function at any time, repeat the command and enter your 4-digit code +9. To demonstrate, our 4-digit code is 1234, and then I'm going to hit the number 9 for the chime. You will see that the chime is now on. To disable the chime, use your code and number 9. The chime feature is now off. Today we are going to learn how to add, change, or delete user codes on your Vista security system. We are first going to show you how to add a new user code. In this example, we are going to add a new code for our teenage daughter who's going to be using the system. We're going to add her as user number 4 in the system. What I'm going to do first is enter my code with my master code being 1234. I'm then going to push 8 on the button, followed by entering her user number, which is the one I want to create. In this case, it will be user number 4. The last step is entering the code that I would like my daughter to have. For this instance, 5858. I would suggest writing down the user number and the code we want that user to have before going to the keypad and prompting the command. So let's go ahead and demonstrate. I'm going to enter my master code, which is 1234, the number 8, the user number I would like to create, and then the new code. You will now see that the system is chimed and that code is accepted. A good way to test this is to go ahead and try to arm or disarm the system using that new code. I'm going to enter that new code and then try to arm it to away. As you can see, the code is accepted. The system is now arming. I'm going to go ahead and disarm the system. System is disarmed. That is how you will add a user code to the system. So now let's say that she wants to change her code a few months down the road. How I can do that is entering my master code, in this case 1234, plus the number 8, which is the function key, plus her existing user number, which is 4, and then whatever new code she would like to have. In this case, she wants to change it to 5645. So let's go ahead and put this in together. Again, my master code is 1234. I'm going to hit 8 for the function. Her user number is 4, and then I'm going to put in the new code, 5645. Again, you heard that chirp. The code was accepted. Let's go ahead and test that. I'm going to enter her new code, and I'm going to arm the system to away. As you will see, the code was accepted. The system is being armed. Let's go ahead and use that same code to disarm. The system is disarmed. More often than not, some users would like to have codes deleted. This happens quite frequently in business applications. To do this, we will enter our master code, plus a number 8 for the function key, plus a user number, and then we're going to go ahead and hit pound and 0. Let's go ahead and do this together. My master code is 1234. I'm getting to the code or user function. It's user number 4, and then I'm going to go ahead and hit pound and 0. Once again, you heard that chirped. That means that code is no longer valid. If you guys remember back, that user number 4 code was 5645. Let's go ahead and test it and make sure that code is deleted. I'm going to hit 5645 to arm it. Nothing happened. That code has been deleted from the system. Thank you for taking some time today to learn about the Vista security system.